Oh, hello. This is African lovebirds. You pets. This is done. Guys, takot sila. No. Tatakot sila. Takot sila. Nalagay comment ko dito. Takot sila. Di ba? Takot sila. Lumaki ba sila, guys? Ito, maliit pa rin siya. Bam. Bam, bam, bam. Bam, bam, bam. Bam, bam, bam. Papilipap. Tubig. Bahay. Bahay nila. Pagkayon. Yan, pagkayon na yan. Tattoo African lovebirds. Nilagay ko lang kamay ko. Domat nyo, ah. Uy. Dot. Ang nagsindi nitong ilaw, walang iba kundi ikaw. Salamat sa liwanag mo. Muling magkakakulay ang tae ko. Gaano man kabaho ang tae mo, lilinisan ko yan. Ang pangit mo. Ikaw din. Ang cute nyo. Bahala kayo dyan. Sigma man ako. Parang tapangalan ko sa kanila. Ikaw, si ano, yung white. Yung white, ito yung white. Yan yung white. Sino kaya yan? Budgie the first. Ito naman yung kulay yellow. Budgie the second. Yeah. Di ko alam kung ano pa pangalan sa kanila. Baka naman. Lagay nyo na sa comment section, guys. First time ko sila nakitang kumakain. Kain na kayo, kain. Kakain sila. Kakain yung kulay white. Di ba? Nakakatakot na si Apmao, God. Oh my goodness. Apmao, ano? Ngay! Guys, alam nyo ba yung favorite ko? Yung mga ano, yung mga favorite ko, yung mga scammer na hack. Talagay ko, mali! Yung gusto ko yung mga scammer na hack. Tapos, nag-rums. Can I transfer to my house? address is. Oh, hell no. Oh. Transform? Ano? Mag-iisip na mag-drive?
Yes, sir. I took 2 guard dogs and you got exactly 5 seconds to get off my property. Today, we're knocking around the doors in Toronto, offering to clean gutters for free. Right? Good version. I'm offering to clean your gutters completely free today. But there's a twist. Whoever says yes gets a full gutter replacement. If that's not crazy enough, you're surprising one lucky homeowner with a brand new steel roof worth thousands of dollars.
Oy!
Meet today's scam. Your mother, what are you trying to do? Yep. He's upset because I just spent hours slowly torturing him.
Do not try to use the enter key from your keyboard.
Ano
Oh, you know I'm freaking hitting enter. I have to tell my master I'm not going to be making this service. Is that okay?
You need beating now.
He's running the sample scam where he connects to my computer and tries to steal my money.
Donate betting now. Man, shut the hell up. Nabili na kasi sa probate of this.
This is a bait. But right now it's living in this tiny, dirty spot.
Ah, hell no. All about timing.
Viral bird videos where owners can pet their bird, make the
Haba.
bird any kind of human